Good job, Chris.
Chris, stay in front of him.
Right there, Chris.
Follow the
That's
ball.
good, Chris.
Don't reach. There you go. Move your feet. Move your feet. Chris, that's you. Switch it.
Good job, Zach.
Stop the ball.
Nice.
Get the ball. Corner.
Good job, Bob. The ball, there you go. Get that,
There you go. Chris, turn around. Set.
Set.
Help it behind.
Zach.
Get a read.
Good job, Zach.
Get back! Stop the ball, Chris! Corner. Hands up! Chris, get in front! There you go! Hands up! Get that, Chris! Right there, Chris, that's you! Hands up! Don't let him go around you! Chris, get it! Rebound, Seth. Good job.
Nice move. Nice pass.
Yeah!
Good job, Zach. Good finish, Seth.
Good pass, good shot.
Chris, stay in front of him, okay? Move your feet. There you go. Chris, watch your left. There you go. Left, left, Chris, it's you. Your hands up. Get ready.
Good pass.
Good rebounds.
Look under. Seth, get open.
Give it out. There you go. Good job.
Help him.
Oh.
Get back.
Okay,
Stop
get
ball,
back.
stop ball, stop ball, stop ball. Stop ball.
Stop ball. There you go, Chris.
There you go, go. Finish, layup.
Oh, good try.
Turn around, stop ball. That's you, Chris.
Right there,
Don't let him
right
go
there,
around.
right there.
There you go, good D. Don't let him go around you.
Go, Zach.
Bump. There you
Nice.
Good defense.
go. Way to go, Zach.
Hands up.
That's you, Mace.
Stop him. There you go. Chris, hands up. There you go. Get it. Jump.
Oh yeah, so you'll be watching it after also.
Chris left. Don't let him go by you. Move your feet. There you go.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
There you go.
Take it.
There you
Good job,
go.
Zach.
Zach, stay for it.
Chris.
Oh, foul? Yeah. Yeah. But
Oh, make it. Oh.
Oh, please.
ooh.
Rebound.
There you go.
Get back. Get back.
Stop ball. Stop ball. There you go. That's you.
Nice.
Go. There you go. Good pass. Good job. There you go. Get back. Stop ball. Look out there.
Right here, Chris. Nice move. Good move, Zach.
Oh, almost.
Get in there.
Time out. Oh, yeah.
Chris, that's you. Get in front. Good D. Hold your hands. Get in front. Mace, that side. That side.
There you go,
Right
there
here.
you go.
Seth. Middle of the paint.
Watch five. There you go. Right there, right there, right there.
Get back. There you go.
Mom.
Chris, stop. There you go. That's you. Don't let him go around. Stop reaching.
Yeah, Zach. Oh.
Look up, man. There you go. Chris, move your feet. Stop reaching.
Good job, guys.
Come on, fellas.
Nice.
Good job, Zachy.
Back, guys. Get back.
Come on, defense.
Turn around. Hands up.
Don't let him go around you. Stop the ball. Get back, Chris, in the middle of the paint. Right there.
Go, Luca.
Rebound. Rebound.
Nice, Chris.
Pass it back. There you
Get
go.
it. Fine. There you go. Chris, get your butt in the paint.
Oh,
Get the
yeah.
ball. Get in the paint.
Golly.
Get back, guys. Got him.
Rebound.
Rebound. There you go. Good rebound.
Go. Go back. That's right. Get back.
Up. Let's go.
Somebody, Brax.
Defense, Luca.
Brax, stop it.
Nice, Brax.
Dribble. Pass it. Oh, what?
Get back.
Back.
Chris, get that ball. Get that ball. No, let it go. Oh,
We're good, go!
You're good, go! Go!
Good
Hey,
ball.
red line, get him back.
Let's go, fellas.
Control.
Get back. Chris, get that ball. Go get that ball. Get.
Nice.
Let's go, fellas. There you go, Luca. Goalie. Get back, Chris, ball.
Pick it up. Good job, Zach.
Hey, defense.
Good.
Good tag.
Yeah, way to get it, Zach.
And way to get your own rebound. Pass it.
Get open. Chris, get the ball.
Yes, Chris.
Keep it, Chris!
Quick.
Chris, come on, boy. Go, get open.
Braxton, look at Braxton. Nice.
Rebound, Chris.
Down.
Get the rebound.
Get back, Braxton. Stop that ball. All right.
Slow down. Go. It's a foul.
Pass. Dribble.
What?
Chris, watch your left.
Low, Braxton.
Stay front.
Low, Braxton.
Get low, Brax. There you go, get
Right there,
me.
grab it. Let's go. Wow.
Come on, defense.
Come down, Braxton. Come down.
Brax!
Stay in front. Don't let him go around.
Oh,
Good block.
block.
There you go. Good job, Seth.
What did we just say? Yeah, Zach was about to.
Pick it up.
Nice.
Get the rebound, Chris.
There you go. I know it was illegal, but still.
Move your feet, hands. Watch your left, Chris.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Go.
Oh, yeah, go get it, Brax.
Move your feet.
Come on, Brax!
There you go. Oh,
Lock him, Brax!
oh you
Leave
got a
it.
rebound. Oh, right. Help him. Move around. Get open.
Thank you.
And one.
All right, move around, boys.
10.
Just pass it over.
Turn around. Stop the ball.
Travel.
Travel.
Thank you.
Go.
Toss it over him. Don't go under. Toss it up.
Oh, get that, Mason.
There you go, Zach. That's gotta be a tie-up. Good job, Zach.
Seth, watch the middle. Middle.
There you go.
No, middle, Seth.
Get in front of him, Caleb.
Right there. Right, Seth. Right there.
Seth, watch five. Watch five.
Behind you. There you go. Underneath. Underneath. Go play. Chris, help the basket. Rebound. Hands up. Rebound.
Nice pass.
That should be a foul.
Oh, take it.
Go.
Dribble. Dribble. There you go. Let's go, Zach.
And one. There you go, Seth. Let's save. Sorry, good hustle.
Yeah, I saw some of the pictures. Terrible. Yeah, like every time Zach goes in, they hit him, which is fine. He should still be able to score.
Rebound. Get back.
Nice pass. Hands up. Don't foul. Good play. Smart.
Nice.
Hands up. Be ready to catch it. Catch it up.
Put it back up. Nice. Good
He's
rebound,
going
Zach.
straight down the middle, though. I wish he would go outside.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, Mason.
Face. Zach, face. No, this is second.
Rebound.
On.
Get the.
Travel.
There you go.
Nice.
Pass up.
Throw it.
Throw it. Pass up.
Come on, Wall.
Get it. Go get it.
Don't open the hole. Lay up. Chris, look up. Who's open? There you go.
That's a foul.
Go.
That's a
Use your
foul.
whistle.
Come on.
Up. Come on, please. Chris, go get it.
Nice
Don't foul. Don't foul. Yeah, that's on the floor.
We gonna call that.
Card.
You just gonna let him inbound.
Go.
Dribble.
Look out. Chris. There you go. Rebound. All right.
Good job, White. Get back.
Come on, D. Go get it. Money, go. Oh!
Push it, push it.
Don't get the, help him! Help him! Layup. And one!
And one!
Thank you, ref! Rebound! There you go!
Nice rebound, Zach.
Yeah!
Nice, buddy.
Turned it into 4 points.
Defense! Chris, get in front! Get in front! There you
Go get him, go get him.
Up.
Stop it, Chris. Stop the ball.
We gotta call it travel. It's a travel at some point.
Line him up. There you go.
Chris, get that ball!
164.
Get the ball! Get the
164.
ball!
Yep.
Get the ball!
Nice job, Seth. Get in there.
There you go. Oh! There you go!
Go,
Push it.
Braxton.
Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. That's the 8.
Oh, layup.
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 Oh,
That's all right.
there you go, go, Chris!
Yes! Good job.
Layup!
Follow, follow.
Who's open? Layup, layup!
Layup.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, Zach.
Zach, 2 hands.
Get back! Get back, Braxton!
Pass.
Oh, he's going to it.
There it goes.
Rebound!
Rebound.
Come this way, Zach.
Chris, go down.
Come
Go
this way.
down.
Look at Chris.
There you go.
Grab it. Oh.
No, it's all right.
Back up,
Rebound.
Zach.
There you go.
Nice job, Zach. Oh, that's
Man, call something.
Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the floor.
A trip's a trip.
oh, he lost it.
Head. Don't let him go around you.
Careful.
There you go.
Nice. Go, go, go.
Look up.
Look out, look out. Braxton.
Spacing, spacing.
Shoot it.
Jump ball.
Here. Look
Get
at
open,
14.
Chris. Chris, get open.
Shot.
Zach.
Go.
Yeah!
Get back, get back, get
Red
back.
line.
Stop the ball.
Of course.
9. Why? Something bad's gonna happen.
Corner, mate. Help him, Chris. Move your feet, move your feet.
Go get that, Zach.
There you go. Get it, Chris.
Nice, Chris.
Ball.
Shoulder
It's
in.
open. There you go.
Set us up.
Good ball.
Nice move.
Rebound.
Rebound.
Up. There you
Guys, good job, guys. Turn around.
go. Move your feet, move your feet. Rebound.
Down, Chris. Down, Chris. Yeah, there you go.
Let's go, Luca.
Right here. Right here.
Foul! Thank you.
Stop, 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 stop. Pass.
Oh, so
Luka.
close.
Yeah.
It's all right, good D. Y'all can rebound.
Go, Mason. Good job.
Look at that. Run through, no foul.
Good job. Good D. Way to rebound, yes.
Go. Nice layup.
There you go.
Oh! Way to hustle, Dad.
Go, defense. Offense, sorry. Look around.
Yes! Three! He's getting pissed.
Hey, off the black line. All right, one shot.
Right here. Oh,
Rebound. Nice set.
Yeah!
good job, number 3.
Luka, come out here. Luka.
I look for Chris. Chris up high. He's going to streak to the basket.
There you go. Yes.
No, stop, back it up.
Get it, Brax. Come on,
Yes! Way to...
Braxton.
Get that one.
Luka, come back out. Come out.
Right there, give it to Brax.
Brax, get ready.
It's open. Get to the basket.
Brax,
Move!
Oh,
Nice rebound, Braxton.
Brax, not let go.
scoot up, Zach. There you go.
20 feet. Rebound, Chris.
Oh, y'all got to get that.
Chris, that's your rebound.
Watch, Brax, watch. Get ready, Bubba.
Wait, he got...
Go.
Spacing, ball, spacing.
Luka, back up.
Time out.
Chris, get it. Go to the hole. Up.
Get that rebound.
Hands up.
Rebound.
Come on, rebound!
Chris, look at the rebound.
Spacing, y'all. Spacing.
Help him.
Go, Brax.
Nice
Nice
pass.
Yeah!
Good boy, Rick.
Yeah, Braxton!
Don't foul. Good move.
Rebound.
Help him out, Braxton.
help up.
Help him out,
Somebody
Braxton.
Help him!
Hold on to it.
Get that ball.
It's a 5-point game now. All timeout.
Hey, help him.
Braxton, help. Get up there.
Get open, boys! Be ready!
To the hole.
Take it in!
Hold it. Hold it.
Get back, get back!
Oh my God. Rebound, come on! Rebound!
Oh, holy
Now!
Let's go!
Down, Chris, down. Block, block. There you go.
Thank you. Oh,
Rebound. Nice. Good job, Zach.
Let's go,
Let's go, let's get it back. Turn around.
Turnover! Turnover!
Let's get it back right here.
Turnover!
Put the ball!
Rebound.
Get it, Brad.
Nice block, Braxton.
Zach, ball!
Zach, go
Zach,
get it.
ball! Slow it down, slow it down!
Good job, guys.
Help him!
Slow.
Nice screen.
Layup.
Good screen, Braxton.
Come on, Deanna! Defense!
Turn around.
Log up the middle! Good
Nice,
rebound!
Seth. Good job, Seth.
Okay, slow it down, slow it
Oh, he's just
Slow
like-
down,
no,
slow down.
No. Just dribble, stay there. Good.
Good job, White.